Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fantastic. And today we have a brand new subscription box to the channel. This is Fish Vault. Fish Vault. Brought to you by the people that make Hunt Vault. It's Fish Vault. So if you're interested, you can Google Fish Vault and you can find them. This is, I don't know if they send out like an introductory type box. I don't know. So don't quote me, but this is the first box after subscribing to this service. This is the first box we received. Okay, we're going to take a look at it. So are you guys ready to get some fish vault on? All right, you guys ready? You ready? Okay, well, I guess. Well, y'all sure aren't excited. All right, let's do it. All right, so we are back with Fish Vault, and this is a big box, so I can't put it under over my table here because it'll hit my top-down camera. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this, and I'm going to set this on the floor, and I'm going to open it, and I'll just pull the stuff out and bring it to the table. So I'm sorry, this is not going to be like I normally do things, but I think you'll understand. But technically, I'm assuming there's something, there obviously is something large in this box. Okay? That's bad. That's bad when I got to slow down and think about what I'm saying, because I can't say there's something large in this package. I can't say that because I got people here live watching this with me, and they'll take that comment and they'll run away with it. All right, so the first thing on top is, what is this? This is a Thermacell Patio Shield Mosquito Protection. Okay, so this protects you from the little biting bugs, and it gives you 15 feet zone. Okay, so this is actually applicable if you are fishing, like if you're fishing from, a river bank or, the edge of a lake or, whatever. Sometimes, more so for like a lake, standing body of water. Sometimes you can get them mosquitoes around there, and having this is not the worst thing. When you're setting up to start casting and everything, pop this thing out, just set it kind of right next to you, help it maybe get rid of them bugs, right there in your immediate area. So you're sitting there fishing, you're not getting ate up. So this is not the worst thing, right? That's awesome. Okay, there we go. So I got at least one person that said this is actually good, and I tend to agree. If you're going to be fishing, stuff like this, and it says it repels them without spray, and it's scent-free, and it does come with 3 of the mats, and then it comes with one 12-hour fuel cartridge. So there is stuff here that you get from the, you go to the company, I guess, and you buy more of the little refills and stuff. So that's cool. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, everybody's happy. So hey, we're off to a good start. Okay, we got some fish attracting stuff. Okay, the big thing in here, I'm gonna get it out. This is what was taking up all the space. Ooh, hey, is it full of stuff? Man, that would be awesome. Okay, so this is a Yeti load box, go box. If you don't want it wet, muddy, or lost, it goes in here. Okay, that's kind of cool, man. How do you open it? What kind of contraption is this? Oh, check that out. Hey, look at that. So we got some compartments. We can do some organizing. Okay, so you lift this out. Okay, and this is just a little tray. Okay, and then it's just open compartment. This is how big it is. So, that wide, that big, that tall. Does have a gasket. Boy, look at that gasket. This is like a big ammo can that has a tray in it. So 3 compartments, 1 big, 2 small, with a handle. Okay. Hey, man, that's cool. That's nice right there. Does have a nice solid clasp. Does have a carry handle. And it's Yeti. So you know what that means. This was expensive because it's a Yeti. Yay! All right. Very cool. Got a little texture on the bottom there to maybe hold it in place so it don't flip around. Okay. All right. I can dig it. I can dig it, man. I can dig it. Okay, we got some small items here. We're going to get everything out of the box. We'll get everything out of the box, and then we'll take a gander. Hey, look, we got a fish vault sticker. You know how I like my stickers. Okay, and we got a card that we will scan. Okay, because if we scan that, then obviously they don't send out, you know, a welcome box. This could just be, you know, the current month. Now, you know, I say that because you never know what to expect when you get these boxes. Some boxes will send out, you know, like an introductory box when you first subscribe. And some people, some companies, when you subscribe to them, they'll just put you in the roster for the next month's box. So, you know, I just wanted to kind of put that out there. That's kind of why I said that, because I've had that before. And we got a cool Fish Vault sticker. And as I said, you know, this is made by the family-owned, veteran-owned company that makes Hunt Vault. So again, if you do want to inquire about getting this particular box, you know, make sure you reach out to them. If you're a veteran, tell them you're a veteran. You know, they'll hook you up with a discount and all that. So yeah. Okay, the first little tool that we got here is from SOG. This is part of their everyday carry line, and this is the Rapid Tool, multi-tool Rapid. I don't know why I said that. Okay. Okay, this is a compact blade keyring carry. Okay, all right. So you can use this as for all types of things. You can use it for a line cutter, you know, whatever. And you can put it on your key ring or whatever. And yeah, it's just a little D2, well, no, never mind. It just says stainless steel. So it's a stainless steel blade. It's aluminum pull ring, quick sheath deploy, lanyard for your pack, whatever. It's midnight blue. Okay, so there you go. Not the worst thing, yeah? Right? Are we still good? Are we still happy with the Fish Vault so far? All right, the next thing we got is a Gerber Curve multi-tool. 6 tools, locking, outboard component, clip and go, all the good stuff. All right, so what we got here? Bottle opener. Boy, let me tell you something. It has to have a bottle opener. If it doesn't have a bottle opener, say it with me, class. What do we say if it doesn't have a bottle opener? It sucks. So never fear, this has a bottle opener. It does have a plain edge blade, medium flathead screwdriver, Phillips with a file, and a small flat head driver. That does not look like a flathead driver. That kind of look, why does it look kind of Phillips head? Whatever. I'm not going to argue with Gerber. They know more than I do. But I like it's a little blue, you know, it's a little blue looking multi-tool. Okay, so we got a Gerber multi-tool, we got the SOG multi-tool, we got the Yeti protect your crap, and we got the Mosquito go away thing. Now, we got 2 fish attractors, man, hopefully. Okay, this is from Strike King. Deep diving. Okay, this is called jerkbait. Woo, boy, look at that dive plane on the front, coming out the front there. I hope y'all can see that. I hope the glare is not bad. But look at that dive plane it's got. Holy crap. So, yeah, that bad boy, when you snatch on that line, man, she's going straight down. Does it say, like, what it'll do? Deep diving. Suspending jerkbait. Okay, designed for, with the perfect combination of roll, flash, and wiggle. Giddy. Weight transfer system for increasing castability. Dives 11 feet. Woo! So you give her a jerk, man, and she goes down 11 feet. That's impressive, man. It's a nice shiny pattern. So yeah, this right here bring all the fish to the yard, yo. What else it say? Jerk on slack line for maximum action. All right, look here, man. I can't do it, man. I can't do it, man. Jerk on slack line for maximum action. Hey, man, that sounds like a typical Friday night at the Brad's Journey household. You know what I'm saying? That's after dark, though. That's the after dark edition. Okay, but hey, it looks good. I mean, what y'all think? I got a bunch of fishermen in my channel member, so I want them to see what they think about the old U-boat fish attractor. Okay, I like it. Okay, so we got that. Oh, well, we got another one. But wait a minute. This is a different company. This is from Booyah Bait. Patent pending. Their dive plane got a patent on it. Okay, now this looks more like you want to use this in more clear water, because this thing's not highly reflective. Now I could just be talking out my butt, because look, I currently am not getting back into fishing. Okay, I fished a lot when I was younger, but my older brother, he's getting back into fishing. So he subscribed to this box. And when it came in, he gave it to me. He said, hey, open this on your YouTube channel. And I said, I will do that. So he's getting back into fishing. I just don't have the desire right now. Maybe he'll, because he's getting back into fishing, maybe it'll rope me in to getting back into fishing. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is a deep flash point jerkbait. Custom blade attached or fixed to the head for bright flash and sonar return. That's a lot of fluff. That's some over-exaggerated fluff right there. Slender minnow body for hard cutting action, achieves 10 feet on a standard cast, features internal tungsten weights and transfer casting system. Number 6 size, fine gauge wire trebles, matte super slide finish. Okay, now this one here does, you know, at least, I'm going to tell you the good thing about this. At least we got a good contrast here of different colors, which is good, because we have two very different type of attracting situations going on here. So yeah. And Booyah makes some really good stuff, according to one of my channel members. So Booyah does get some action. So yeah. All right, so you know, so far, you know, we got two pieces of fish bait. We got the Yeti, we got the Mosquito go away, and we got 2 little tools. And we got a sticker that says Fish Vault. This, plus this. There's no good way I can show you this. So what do you guys think? This was literally our first ever initial impression for Fish Vault. What do you guys think? Okay, look, I'm talking to them in real time. You can tell me what you think down in the comment section down below. Give me a thumbs up on the video for, you know, me showing you this stuff. I guess, I don't know. Subscribe to the channel. What did you guys think? What did you guys think about this? Do you guys think this was a good box? If this was your first, okay, look. If you guys got this box, if this was yours, would you have been happy? Would you have been sad? Would you have jumped out the window? I mean, what's going on? But we're going to scan this QR code while everybody's getting their crap together. Welcome to Fish Vault. Sweet. That's what I like to hear. Okay, we got prices. All right, cool. All right, buckle up. This is the August Elite box for Fish Vault. All right, so the first thing on here, okay, Mandy is just laughing uncontrollably. Bob says, if I fished, I might like it. It was a great box. Okay, Mandy said that, so she stopped laughing to say it was a great box. Okay, great box. Useful stuff, great box. Okay, everybody agrees that they would have been happy with this. Okay, there we go. All right, so August Elite box. First thing is the Yeti Loadout Go Box 15 gear case. $125. I told you guys Man, this Yeti crap is expensive. All right, so $125 on that. The Thermacell patio shield mosquito repeller, $30. We got $30 on that. Did we hear $30? We got $30. SOG multi-tool. Okay, the Rapid. $25. Gerber Curve, $24. Does that sound right to y'all? 20, 24, 25? Ah, yeah, maybe, I guess. That's called inflation, bro. That inflation is real. All right, let's get to the jerk bait. Okay, the Strike King. All right, the Strike King is this guy here. The Strike King is $12. Okay, and the Booyah jerk bait is $12. Okay, and the custom Fish Vault decal is $5. Please tell me that they're not that the $5 is not what they assign a value to it. Don't do that. Fish Vault, don't do that. Give the stickers for free. Do not include a sticker into, especially for $5. Don't include this in the value of the box. Don't do that. Don't be that person. Don't do that. Okay, so the Booyah, the jerkbait Chad is $12. The other's $12. That's about right? $12. Okay. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. I can't wait. I can't wait to hear what you guys in the comment section tell me about this. You know, do you think this was a good deal? Could have been better if they would have added a rod or a reel. Yeah, but we got to keep it grounded in reality, okay? We gotta stay in reality. Now they could have now, to be fair, in a future box, you know what they call it, a hobo cast line. You know, I've got one. I can't remember who made it, but literally it's just a handle, and it extends out just a little bit because you can put it in your pocket. And you can use it. You can use it to fish. Now you can't use it to fish, you know, really, really far away from you, but you can fish with it. Okay, 100% the jerkbait pricing is accurate. Okay. Yeah, now that's fair. They could have gave you one of them little like portable, retractable, you know, kind of extreme survival situation fishing setups. You know, that is true. That's very true. Ed, you need to look at what you just wrote. A good suspending jerk is expensive. Come on now. You can't say that in the present company, man. Come on. That's going to go sideways. Come on now. All right, guys. On that note, I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you go to the comment section of this video because I really do want to hear what you guys think about Fish Vault. Hopefully, we'll have some more coming, you know, because we did subscribe to it, or, well, my brother subscribed to it. So hopefully, we'll be getting more of these in the future. So yeah, sound off. Don't be a lurker. It's okay if you do. But hey, man, go to the comment section, man. I love hearing from you. That's the whole point of doing this, man. This is social media. You got to be social. So come on, interact. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, if you're down there interacting, make sure you got the Lord in your life, because trust me, there's tons of people running around. They're trying to do this thing called life by themselves, and they just don't know that the Lord can make the difference of making your life better, making your life fulfilled, giving you direction and purpose and value. So I would implore you to seek out the Lord if you haven't. Okay, I really, really would. And with that, God bless all of you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Y'all be cool. I'm out of here. Peace.